President Yoweri Museveni okugamba ebi nobo yabari ha mukoro gwa Uganda South Africa Trade and Investment Summit ogwakorerwa har Commonwealth Resort omuri Munyonyo.
South Africa got freedom. I met Mzee Mandela. I said, now let's use South African, because South Africa had some capacity at that time of more investors, some capital, and I wanted to take advantage of them, and they also take advantage of me to build a strong economy for Africa. That's how I proposed to Mzee Mandela. We started a wide body joint airline.
Omukoro gwakorerwa hamwe kugira ngo accelerating Uganda South Africa Trade and Investment kandi ngwije kuheze biro bibiri kandi gushyirwe mu kampani 40 okorwa mu South Africa.
That until recently 68% of the people were outside the money economy. We are to bring in the army to distribute coffee seedlings for these people, villagers, to join the money economy by growing coffee. Now the figure has come down to the ones outside the money economy are now 39%. The one in the money economy are 61%. And we want everybody to join the money economy. If all this join the money economy, we need not benefit the telephone industry, the communication. Will they not ring more? If all these people join the money economy, will we not have more money in the banks?
President Museveni arikugambaho n'abantu abashika ha mukoro gw'ebyobushubuzi ogwo yagira ngo nayenda habeho amana go kutwara eby'imishuburo ya Uganda omuri South Africa.
Because that's what happens now. We the coffee growers get $2.5 per kilo of good coffee. The one who roasts it outside gets $40. So the question is, who is aiding who? I have been asking that question. So Europe is aiding Africa. Really?
Ahantu yayiherera kashaba company za South Africa ezirukorera mu Uganda nka MTN na Stanbic Bank okwatanisa na government okureba ngo abanya-Uganda bona bayejumbira mu gukora ebintu ebirikubataahiza okukira okukorera enda.
So I'm very glad that now in our small battle here we are working together to solve this problem. Because when you say I have seen all those items there, that will mean more families in Uganda who are outside the money economy will join the money economy.
Oguhona yashababa investor okongera omutindo ha bintu ebirukorerwa mu Uganda kibasihanga no kwetongora no kutungura ebyentasi byayo obutwire. Minister wihanga habwe by'obushubuzi n'amakorero Evelyn Anite yasima President Museveni habwo kureta obusinjo mu Uganda oburumu no gwongera emishuburo mu ihanga.
Allow me first of all start by commending you for creating an conducive environment for Ugandans to live in, but also, most importantly, for business to thrive in our country. Your Excellency, the first accountability of the good job that you've done for peace and stability in our country is the evidence that as we speak, MTN has got over 18 million subscribers, and thanks to the President's creation of peace and stability.
Contradiction that this conference has been very successful. But in going through the deliberation in the conference, it was very clear that it was not just about deals. It was also about looking at the investment environment in Uganda, but also in the continent.
Gashakwa Damba Tadeo.